Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will going to show you how you can change the hertz or refresh rate of your monitor on PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change the hertz or refresh rate of your monitor on PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, I want you to right-click your desktop home screen. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear. So among the options of this menu, I want you to click Display Settings. And once you're on Display Settings, I want you to go to Advanced Display. Here in the Advanced Display Settings, you'll see the refresh rate or hertz option. Just click it, then choose the refresh rate you want. The higher the hertz, the smoother the motion, but keep in mind it can put more demand on your device, so it's important to choose the hertz that suits your needs. And then after selecting a hertz, your screen will black out for seconds since they will update your monitor display. But don't worry, this is normal guys and will not take too long. And then after, your system will ask you for confirmation if you really want to change to the hertz that you selected. Just click Keep Changes to confirm. And then that's it guys. It's done. Congratulations. Your monitor refresh rater will now be changed just like that. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.